Munch Munch.
Where food comes from.
Hello, little chefs. I'm Chef Sonam, and today we've stepped out of the kitchen and come to a very special place.
Woohoo! We are at the farm. We are at the farm. We are at the farm.
Yes, Gaur, we are at the Akshay Kalpa farm.
Hi, Chef Sonam.
Hi,
Chef Sonam. What are we doing here?
We are here to learn about where food comes from. Where do you think food comes from?
It comes from your kitchen, of course.
No, silly. It comes from the grocery store.
My mom ordered food on phone. It just comes home.
Where do you think food comes from?
India.
You're all kind of right. But before food can come to my kitchen or even your grocery store or your fridge, it has to be grown.
Like how I grew? Oh, I grew an inch this week.
No, how like plants grow.
Exactly. It all starts in the soil. Once we plant these seeds,
now what?
now we wait. All we need to do is give it enough water and sunlight and then wait for the plants to grow.
Oh, it's like magic in the mud. Drop by drop and ray by ray. Little seeds wake up each day. First a sprout, then leaves so green. Soon the yummiest food you've seen.
All these plants look so different.
Yes, each one came from a different seed. Look,
Hey, a chili. What's that?
that's a cabbage patch.
Look at that.
That's a Karela.
Can I plug this?
Yes, it's ripe and ready.
Is all our food hanging on plants like this?
Well, not all. Some are below the ground, like carrots, onions, beetroots, potatoes. Some hang like this, like oranges, grapes, beans and tomatoes. And some are just leaves, like cabbage, palak and lettuce.
What about bhindi? I like bhindi a lot.
It hangs on plants.
Radish?
Below the ground.
What about spinach?
It grows above the ground.
I ate rice for lunch. Where did it come from?
Great question. The rice plant dries up. We shake the plant really hard and the rice grains come out.
There are so many ways plants give us food.
Yes, and don't forget about the cows that give us milk, chickens that give us eggs, the rivers and oceans that give us fish.
Above the ground, below the ground, cows, chickens.
I know it can feel like a lot, but all you need to do is ask questions, just like you did today. That's true for you too, little chefs at home. Be curious and excited about where food comes from. Keep asking questions and plant a few seeds if you can. See you next time.
Bye.
Eat the rainbow.
Hello, little chefs. Welcome to my kitchen where magic happens with every meal. I'm Chef Sonam and today we're gonna have a color fun time. Can you guess what today's special is?
Red and yellow, green and blue, orange and purple, all for you. Colors, colors, I can't wait. Put them all upon my plate.
That's right, Gaur. Today we're eating the rainbow.
Eating the rainbow. Munch, munch.
See, every color of the rainbow gives us different powers. From strong bones to happy hearts to shiny hair and strong teeth.
Hi everyone.
Hi, little chefs. You're just in time. We're about to eat the rainbow.
But how?
We eat colors of the rainbow all the time.
Really?
Let's fill up this big rainbow and you'll find out how. What's the first color of the rainbow?
Red.
Let's fill up the red color on the rainbow.
Capsicum. Tomato. Apple.
Spicy chilies.
Look at all the different kinds of red foods we eat. There's apples, pomegranate, tomatoes, and red foods protect our
Heart and lungs.
Now let's fill up the orange section of the rainbow.
Papaya. Carrot.
Orange like the hot sun. Crunchy carrots are so fun.
Orange foods are great for our
Eyes.
I can already see better just by looking at orange food.
Are you ready to do the yellow section of the rainbow?
Yes. Dal. Potato. Mango. Corn. Banana.
Peel it back and take a bite. Yellow bananas make you soft and light.
Yellow foods are great for our
Skin.
Now it's time to do the green section of the rainbow. Are these tiny trees?
No, that's a broccoli. Beans. Bhindi. Cucumber. Pear. Then
Green foods make sure we don't fall.
save.
Now let's do the blue section of the rainbow. Small, round and a little squishy.
Blueberry.
Little blue balls full of zing. A yummy, juicy, brainy thing.
Plum. Brinjal. Grapes. Onion.
Purple and blue foods are great for our.
Red.
And now we're going to fill up the clouds with some white and brown foods.
Cauliflower. Garlic. Mushroom.
White and brown foods give strength to our.
Phone.
Look at that! You all did a great job.
Wow, we actually made a rainbow food.
That was a lot of hard work. I'm sure you're all hungry. Let's make some rainbow wraps.
Rainbow wraps.
I love rainbow wrap.
Oh, me too. Munch, munch.
Make sure you make a rainbow, get all the colors. Hey Gaur, let's sing a rainbow food song.
Oh, sure. Red and orange, yellow too. Greens and blues are good for you. Purple foods, they help us grow. Eat the rainbow, go, go, go. Make your own wraps.
Thanks for joining us in the kitchen, little chefs. Try to eat a rainbow every day and you'll feel healthy, happy and strong. See you all next time.
Never tasted that before.
Hello, little chefs. Welcome to my kitchen, where we taste, we learn, and we have lots of fun. Today, we're going on a tasting adventure.
Chef Sonam, what are these bowls for?
These are the 5 flavors that our tongue can taste. Today, we're going to taste them and we're going to learn a few new words. Ready?
Yes. I'm always ready to try something new.
That's the spirit, Tara. What about you, Gaur?
Oh, tasting is the game I love. Let's give it a go.
The 5 flavors are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami.
Oh, umami. Umami. Wow, it sounds so nice.
All right. I'll give you a little bit to taste from each of these and you tell me what it tastes like.
Yes. It makes my tongue feel happy.
That's sweet. It's the first flavor. Sweet things like fruits and honey make us feel happy and give us energy.
Tara. It's sweet.
Bunny, let's try this one.
It tastes like ocean.
Yes, the next flavor is salty. But too much salt isn't good, so just a little bit is enough. Tara, let's see if you can tell this one.
Oh, it's sour like a lemon. It tickles my cheeks.
Oh, can I have some? Ah.
That's the sour flavor. It wakes us up and helps us feel fresh. Bunny, try this one next.
This smells like chocolate. I don't like it much. Can I try?
Yes! What do you think of it?
I don't like it much either. It smells like chocolate, but it doesn't taste like at all.
That's the bitter flavor. Bitter flavors can be surprising and it's okay if you don't like it very much. And now for the last flavor. Tara, you want to try this one? How is it?
It's different. I like it. It's warm and special.
Tara, I want to try some, please. Umami. Oh, I love it.
That's umami, the 5th flavor. It's like a magic flavor that makes everything taste nice. It's in cheese, mushrooms and soy sauce.
Ah.
So what did you two think of the flavors?
I will never eat that. I like some of the flavors, but not the bitter one. Is that okay?
Of course that's okay. All of our tongues are different. The important thing is that you tried something new today and you can always try it again later.
Sometimes it takes a second chance to find a food that makes you dance.
3rd, 4th or even 5th chance. Now that we know the different flavors, should we play a balancing game?
Yes!
Alright, I have 4 ingredients here. Olive oil, lemon juice, salt and honey. I want each of you to make a salad dressing. No measuring though, just use how much ever you think will taste good.
Good.
It's good. Yours is good too. Nice.
Now let's taste and see.
It's so salty.
Try adding a little bit of lemon juice, it'll balance it out.
Oh, mine is too sour. I think I put too much lemon juice.
Put a little bit of honey, it'll balance it out.
Uh-huh.
Give it another taste.
Okay.
Not too sour, not too salty. Balance makes it a fun party. Hey, hey, hey.
That's right, Gaur. Balance is the secret to making food super tasty. Too much of any one flavor, sweet or salty, can throw things off balance.
Yay! Sweet and salty, sour and bitter. Umami makes it even better. Hey, sweet and salty.
Sour and bitter.
Umami makes it even better.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep tasting, keep learning. And don't be afraid to say, I'll try that again another day. Bye, little chefs.
Bye-bye. Liked what you saw? Tap subscribe. I'll be right here. Munch, munch.